am out here at 95590 Highway 101 in Yachats. This is the Sea View community of detached condos, all with ocean views, just south of the town of Yachats and Cape Perpetua. I am at unit number 6, which is now on the market. Let's go inside and take a look. This open floor plan 900 square foot beach cottage is easy care. We have mini splits, LVP flooring, stainless steel appliances, open concept kitchen and living area. Downstairs we have a main floor bedroom with mini splits, ceiling fan, and stackable washer and dryer. We also have a full bathroom with quartz counters and a tub shower combination. Upstairs, you've got room for the whole crew. Look at those ocean views. It is a gorgeous day here. We have multiple beds upstairs, room for an additional TV space or even a ping pong table perhaps. Lofted ceilings up here, tons of natural light. And of course, ocean views to wake up to every day. This is, again, 95590 Highway 101, number 6 in Yachats. It is now on the market. Come check it out or contact me for more information.